Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about the shutdown point and break-even point of a firm under perfect competition. Break-even point is the no profit, no loss position of a firm. Or in other words, we can say that break-even point is equal to total revenue is equal to total cost. The output by which a firm earns its total revenue, which is equal to total cost, is the point of break even. It also can be identified at the equality point between AR is equal to AC. If AR is equal to AC, automatically total revenue will be equal to total cost. Since AR is equal to AC or total revenue is equal to total cost, the firm is earning only normal profit. Or we can say that it is the point of the absence of abnormal or supernormal profit. Total cost of a firm is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost, and at the point of break even, a firm's total revenue will be equal to this total cost. It means that the firm is able to cover both the fixed cost and variable cost. Now let us analyze the condition of break even using a diagram. In order to explain the break even point, we can depend total revenue and total cost curve. To draw total revenue and total cost curve, we are having x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we have represented quantity, and on y-axis we have represented total revenue and total cost. We have a total revenue curve like this and a total cost curve like this. There are two intersecting points, points A and points B. At these two stages, total revenue is equal to total cost, and therefore these 2 points are the points of break even. That means there are two break even points in a normal course. Or we can say that the firm is in break even at OM level of output and also at OM1 level of output. We know that the purpose of the firm is to maximize profit, and therefore firm may not produce until OM1 level of output. Similarly, firm will not stop production at OM because firm start earning profit at this stage. Therefore, we require an analysis of comparison of break-even point and shutdown point. Therefore, we are moving to explain shutdown point of a firm. We know that in the short run, a firm may suffer losses. It means that average revenue of the firm is lower than average cost of the firm. If average revenue is equal to average cost, firm is earning normal profit. But there are situations by which a firm can earn only lesser amount of revenue than average cost. This is the case of loss. But here we know that average cost of the firm is equal to average fixed cost plus average variable cost. Here average variable cost is the running cost of production. Suppose if price of the product is higher than average variable cost, it means that the firm is getting a price which is higher than the running cost of production. Or we can say that at this price, the firm is able to cover a portion of its fixed cost. Therefore, the firm will continue production because the firm is able to get a revenue which is higher than average variable cost, which is higher than the running cost, and is able to meet some portion of their fixed cost. Thus we can say that if price falls less than average variable cost, it means that firm is not in a position to get even their running cost from the revenue. That is, price is less than their running cost. Therefore, the firm will have a tendency to close down. That means if price is less than average variable cost, the firm will not operate. Thus we can say that price or average revenue is equal to average variable cost, the firm will shut down. This is the point of shutdown. And if price or average revenue, price is equal to average revenue, price or average revenue is equal to average cost, that is the total cost of the firm will be covered with total revenue, and in such a situation the firm is break even. At the point of break even, firm is earning normal profit and will have a tendency to continue production. Let us explain the point of shutdown and the point of break even with the help of a diagram. In the figure, as usual, x-axis is plotted and y-axis is drawn. We have shown output on x-axis and revenue and cost on y-axis. We have a revenue curve, average revenue curve, which is the price line, average revenue and marginal revenue. The firm is in equilibrium at a point where MC is equal to MR. This is the marginal cost curve. And now we are drawing a normal profit line or average cost curve which is tangent to the average revenue curve at the equilibrium point, and therefore the firm is earning normal profit. Here price of the firm is equal to average cost, or average revenue is equal to average cost. Therefore this is the average cost curve, is the equilibrium point. Now we can draw an average variable cost curve below the average cost curve. Average variable cost lies below the average cost because average cost is average variable cost plus average fixed cost. Therefore average variable cost lies below the average cost curve. Average variable cost is this. This average variable cost intersect marginal cost curve at a particular point. And suppose if price falls from OP2 OP1, that is when AR, average revenue, decreases. Here the new average revenue is AR1, therefore price falls to P1. At this stage the firm is getting only a price which just cover the average variable cost. If price falls below OP1, the firm will not continue their operation. There are two levels of output where average cost is equal to average revenue at OEM level of output, and price or average revenue is equal to average variable cost at OEM 0 level of output. Therefore at point E is the point of where price is equal to average cost, the firm is earning normal profit, and this is the point of break even. The second point is E1. At E1 the firm's price is equal to average variable cost, and therefore the firm will shut down. Therefore firm is earning normal profit, or firm is break even at point E where it produces OEM level of output, and firm is shutting down their operation at OEM 0 level of output where price is equal to average variable cost. Let us conclude this analysis as, suppose TR is equal to TC, or average revenue, that is price of the product, average revenue is equal to price which is equal to average cost, then the firm is in break even condition. That means the firm is earning normal profit. And if price is equal to average variable cost, or total, at this stage total revenue will be less than total cost, that means the firm is suffering with loss, or we can say that average revenue less than average cost, average total revenue less than average total cost, then we can say that the firm is in reaching shutdown point. This is all about break even point and shutdown point. Thank you.